Well, that leads into a good question over here.
Yes.
Viviana, do you want to ask?
The Blue Mermaid?
Yeah.
You want to sing it with me? Or do you want me to sing it? Me? Okay, I can do that. Do you know the Blue Mermaid? See movies with me? Anybody?
We'll lip sync.
No, it's okay. You don't have to sing it. I was just asking if you knew. Sorry.
Grace knows this is one of her favorites.
Okay, so.
Maybe we'll join in.
Ready?
Okay, ready? I wish I had my tail. But I don't have it today.
Yeah.
Hey, let me remember the lyrics. Wait. Oh, okay. I'm the Blue Mermaid. My home is in the sea, yeah. I love my home, I love my friends, and all my friends love me. Deep down under the sea, we swim around happily. Deep down, it means the world to me. Deep down under the sea, we swim around happily. Deep down, it means the world to me. Yeah. That's all I can remember. Is that okay? No one has actually ever requested me to sing that song, so thank you very much. And you have a nice little hair. Too bad it's not a mermaid, but it's snugglier than a mermaid would be because a mermaid would be slimy. I'm just gonna hang on top of it. Thank you, Vivian.